Mubango wa gukinyaniria matanya ma kuriukia ukui wa reri kuma Nairobi guthie Nanyuki ugayanitio na icunji igiri. Gicunji kia mbere kiambiriirie na gutheria njira iria yahuthikaga ni migithi miaka ya hau kabere kirutitie Nairobi guthie Maragwa, nakio gicunji gia keri gikarutia Nanyuki kiroretie Maragwa, mihango iria iracokeria reri ino riri uria yatuire naguo na njira ya gucokereria kuria ithukangite na oho gutheria githaka kiria reri ino ituikaniirie.
We have two teams. We have a team from Nairobi that is repairing. Now currently we are in Murang'a, Maragwa. We have repaired the line from Nairobi all the way to Maragwa. And we have also repaired this line all the way to Sagana. We are now doing the final inspections by using the train from this site. And we also have another train moving from Nairobi towards this site. So to meet our deadline, we have come to inspect and assess to find out how the line is.
No urugamiriri wa kambuni ya mugithi bururi-ini uria ucerete ceceni-ini ya Nanyuki urauga thina munene ugucitie mihango ya gutheria njira ino ya reri ni wagi wa njira njagiriru cia kuhitukirwo ni mai ma mbura maria marahinga mihango ya utheria wa njira ino, ona gutuika mutamburuko wa kuma Nanyuki nginyagia Sagana ni urikite gutherio.
Obviously, you know, there has been a lot of rains, and one of the things that we are finding along the line is issues of drainage. We are trying to open up all the drainage areas, especially where we have our culverts, where we have some small rivers and streams that have clogged the line, and because of the rains, we are opening them up. And then we have to lift out the line and put some maram across the line, and also do what we call ballasting, which is our key operational requirement.
Ukui wa mugithi ni njira imwe ikireirwo na njira nene ni thirikari ya President Uhuru Kenyatta, ukui uria wahwererekeire miaka ya 90 na gicigo-ini giki utanyitwo kuhingura mieke ya wonjoria gatagati ga gicigo kia Mount Kenya na gatagati ka bururi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.